ఉన్నది ఉన్నట్టు చెబుతాను, లేనిది లేనట్టు చెబుతాను. బాసర సరస్వతమ్మ పలుకు, నరసింహ స్వామి పలుకు. ఇప్పుడు మరి ఇంకో కథలోకి వెళ్దామా? తల్లిదండ్రులను గౌరవిస్తాడు కన్నందుకు, తల్లిదండ్రుల రుణం తీర్చుకున్న ఆ శ్రవణ కుమారుడి కదా, విందామా మరి?
Dear audience, we are presenting the story of Shravan Kumar. Shravan Kumar was responsible. He loved to his parents. His parents were blind, so he used to take care of them. Oh God! If you give me vision, I can see my son, Shravan. Lord, give me a boon to see our son. Oh, I got the better jumping of my parents. How can I make them happy? Oh God, is there any way to free my parents from blindness? Yes, Abba. Is there a way? Parents on a match. Abba, you got principal match. Then they will get their result. Thank you, God. You're doing me well. I'll follow you and rock stairs. But I have the money. I buy parents from pilgrims. Shravan makes a bamboo kawali to carry his parents. Ma, that's repeat, that's read. I hope this kawali is comfortable for you. Yes, sir, it is comfortable. Can you tell us, Shravan, how can you? Don't worry, mother. Your blessings will give me strength. You are helping nature makes us to forget about our blindness. After a few months. John, where are we now? We're in Nandakaranya forest now. We visited all holy places but one. Is it Gyanati river our journey well? Will we get our result? Gyanati, did you hear? Yes, let's go. Now we can see our dear son with our eyes. Tonight, let us take rest in this forest. No, mother, let us continue. Okay, let us go. Go and get the Shravan. Give me some water. Father, please wait. I'll bring some water. Shravan goes to the river bank and on the other side, in the river, he takes to I cannot go back and see him. The lucky Shravan came to the river bank, and he put a vessel to fill water, which made a tinkling sound. Listening to drinking sound. Oh my God, what a pain! Okay, now Shravan Kumar, I came with my parents to a pilgrimage. If I finish it, they'll get back their listen. Please take this water to my parents. They're very thirsty. In his last wish, Shravan Kumar died. The moral of the story is, dear audience, the story of Shravan Kumar teaches us we should love and take care of our parents. We should fulfill our duties towards our parents. And we can do anything with the blessings of our parents. Thank you.
సోది చెబుతానమ్మ సోది, ఉన్నది ఉన్నట్టు చెబుతాను, లేనది లేనట్టు చెబుతాను. ఆలకించినావే తల్లి, తల్లిదండ్రి మీద దయలేని పుత్రుండు పుట్టనేమి వాడు గిట్టనేమి. ఆ తల్లిదండ్రులు మనకు కనిపించే దేవతలే అమ్మ. అందుకే పిల్లలు మీరు కూడా మీ తల్లిదండ్రులను గౌరవించండి. మేడారం సమ్మక్క పలుకు నరసింహ స్వామి పలుకు. ఇప్పుడు మనం ఇంకో కథలోకి వెళ్దామా మరి?